Hello guys, welcome back. In this Laravel 5.8 video tutorial, we are going to learn about the routing. Okay, so these are the topics which is we are going to cover inside this video. So what is the routing and the location of the routing file, how we can change the routings and how we can change the files within the same routing, how we can pass the parameter through the routing, and how we can pass the optional parameter, and how we can use the redirection inside the Laravel. Okay, so first question is, what is the routing? So routing is the path basically which is used for access the different functions and files. Okay, so for example, let's say I am going to pass here user. So this is the path, and what function, what controller or what file will be open in this URL is a part of the routing. Okay, so very simple example. First of all, I'm going to show you what is the location of the routing file. For that, I'm going to just zoom out something. Just open the folder, and here you will see the routing folder, and inside the routing just open the web.php file, and there you will see a routing already defined, which is the opening the welcome page. Okay, so on this path, on the root path, we can say that there is a nothing again that that's why we can say that it's a root path. The welcome file is going to open. All right, so this is the basically routing, and you can see the routing location, which is the inside the routing folder. We will discuss about the api.php and in this file in the next video, but for the routing, web.php is mainly used in the Laravel. Okay, so first topic is clear, and second question is how we can change the routing. Okay, so now you can see that this is the, I'm going to refresh, this is the root routing. So I want to open it on the user page, but there is a no page is found in this is the by default shown by the Laravel. Okay, so how we can give this, then just you can write here the user, and you are able to access this. Fantastic. Okay, so this is the how we can change the routing. Okay, so now I want to open the one new file within the same routing. Okay, so for that I already made a last video for going, if you want to go into detail, and for the very quick video I am going to show you this also. Okay, so first of all, where is the welcome.php is the placed? So open the resources, and here you will find the views, and inside that you will find a welcome.blade.php. So I'm going to send one more file, which is the, let's say, user.blade.php. Okay, so hit the enter. Just I'm going to open here, let's say just write h1 tag, and you can write something php step by step. Okay, so now how we can open this file? For that, just go to the web.php and just write here user. Why user? Because user is the main name of this file. You can leave the blade.php file. Okay, let's see what's going to open here. Okay, so so just remove the user from here, and you will see the php.php is opening on that. And if you want to open the user file on the user route, then you can simply write here like this. Fine. And if you are going to access that one, now it will give you the error. Okay, so how we can access the two routes? For that, just write here blank and open here welcome.php welcome file, and with the user just open the user file. So here you can see that this is the main file, this is the welcome, and with the user you will find the user file. Okay, nice. Okay, so now how we can pass the parameter inside the function. Okay, so for that I'm going to remove one URL because we don't need this for now. Okay, so for that just one thing I want to show you, that if you want to just return something here, then you can also return here just like hello, and then you will find the hello on the root. Fine. So now just pass the parameter, like just I want to pass the name here. For the name, what I have to do, just write here curly brackets, and just simply pass here like the name. Okay, and inside the function then you can also define the name. Fine, and just print here dollar name. This is the coming inside the function, and this is the route, and this is going to be print. Okay, so now just writing here Hulk, and now you will get the Hulk here. Nice. Okay, so now just I want to pass the optional name, like I want to just put here user, and but the name should be the optional. Okay, for that I just can print here a question mark here, and it put equal to null. Okay, no, just a single equal to. Now just hit that. The URL is not found because first of all we have to put the name here, like we have to put the user as we mentioned in there, and just hit. Then you will find nothing. And if I just put here Hulk, then you will access the Hulk. You can also provide the default value, like default Bruce. Okay, so if I'm not going to pass your Hulk, then it will tell the default value also. Nice. So this is the basics about the writing, and one more thing that I want to show you, that how we can use the redirecting. Okay, so just write here root and redirect. With the redirect function, just pass the one URL where that you want to put, and another URL that you want to go, like from home to user. I want to, when I just putting the home inside the URL, then it should be go on the user. Okay, so just I put the home, and you will see that. Okay, so that's my bad, I have to put here like this. Okay, nice. So if I just put here home, then you will see it will going always on UI on user. Let's try once again. Okay, so you can see that it's going on the user. Okay, so these are the basics thing about the Laravel 5.8 routing. So if you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video. Thanks guys.